नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन मंडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस सॉ अ शार्प सेल ऑफ एज इन्वेस्टर सेंटिमेंट वाज वेट डाउन बाय अनसर्टेनिटी ओवर प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प्स टैरिफ पॉलिसीज, recession fears in the world's largest economy, and a weak global growth outlook. The tech-heavy Nasdaq plunged nearly 4%, the S&P 500 declined 2.70%, and the Dow fell over 2%. Notably, all the three indices are currently trading below their 200-day EMA. Meanwhile, the Brent crude slipped over 2% with its major trend remaining bearish as it continues to trade below key moving averages. The downtrend is expected to persist with Brent likely to test $66 in the short term. The US dollar index has been consolidating in a narrow range for the past three sessions. However, the broader trend remains bearish with the index expected to test 103 in the near term. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty exhibited bullish momentum in the first hour of trading but struggled to sustain above the 20-day EMA. As a result, it faced a sharp correction of over 200 points and closed at 22,460, marking a 0.41% decline. On the daily chart, Nifty formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow. Notably, this is the second consecutive session where the index has formed a candle with a long upper shadow, highlighting selling pressure at higher levels. This also signals a significant deterioration in the strength of the pullback rally over the last two sessions. The broader market indices also experienced selling pressure on Monday with the Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 declining by 1.53% and 1.97% respectively. आगे चलते निफ्टी के लिए 22,260 टू 22,240 का जोन एक क्रूशल सपोर्ट की तरह काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 22,240 के लेवल के नीचे स्लिप होता है तो नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट 22,040 लेवल पर प्लेस्ड है। While on the upside, the 22,560 to 22,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल की तरह काम करेगा। On the derivatives front, the March futures dipped by 0.59%, while the combined open interest for the current, next, and far series also dipped by 1.26%, which indicates an overall long unwinding. The 22,500 strike has a significant call open interest, followed by the 22,600 strike. On the put side, the 22,400 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 22,300 strike. For the current weekly series, OI-PCR is at 1.08, while for the monthly series, it is at 1.02. Talking about Bank Nifty has been underperforming the frontline indices from the last couple of trading sessions. आगे चलते 47,800 to 47,700 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट की तरह काम करेगा क्योंकि पहले के स्विंग लोज इस रीजन में प्लेस्ड है। While on the upside, the 48,500 to 48,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल की तरह काम करेगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also ended on a negative note and formed a bearish candle with a minor upper shadow on a daily scale. आगे चलते 74,500 to 74,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल की तरह काम करेगा। वही डाउनसाइड पर 73,700 to 73,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.31% and the open interest of the current series has surged by over 2%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 74,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 75,000 strike. On the put side, the 74,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 73,500 strike. For the weekly series, OI-PCR is at 0.78. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX has been trading in a narrow range of 12.91 to 14.36 levels in the last couple of trading sessions. Currently, it is trading below its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 14.7 to 15 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. The advanced decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty Metal and Nifty Financial Services are outperforming the frontline indices since the last couple of trading sessions, while Nifty FMCG has been staging a pullback rally for the last four sessions following a sharp decline. On the flip side, Nifty Realty and Nifty Consumer Durables are underperforming. Additionally, Nifty Capital Market Index saw a sharp decline, tumbling over 3% on Monday. Talking about the FI-DI data, the FI sold to the tune of 485 crores, while the DIs bought to the tune of 263 crores. The FI's long-short ratio for index futures is at 18.15. As on a net basis, they sold 3,321 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.